In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a JOTFORM via email. First, log into your JOTFORM account. On the home page, you'll see a list of all your forms. Hover your mouse over the form you wish to share and click on Edit Form. Once inside the form builder, click on the Publish tab located at the top of your screen. Under the Publish options, you'll see the Invite by Email section. Here, enter the email address of the person you want to send the form to. There's also an optional message box where you can add a custom message for the recipient. In addition to that, you can choose how the recipient can interact with the form. You'll see options that allow the person to only submit the form, to submit and view their response later, or to submit and also edit their response later. Select the option that fits your needs. Once done, click on Send Invitation. The recipient will receive an email with your invitation. You can return to this section anytime to see who you've sent the form to. If you check the recipient's email inbox, the invitation message will appear there along with a View Form button. When the user clicks on that button, the form will open and they can start filling it out right away. This is how you can send your JOTFORM to someone directly through email.